With the official unveiling of the Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold just around the corner, excitement is building around the company's latest foldable device. While Google has been teasing the phone, a multitude of leaks and reports have given us a clear picture of what to expect, from its key features and specs to its rumored price and potential launch day challenges. Now, regarding the top features and specs of the upcoming Pixel Pro Fold, well, the device is shaping up to be a significant step forward for Google's foldable lineup. It will reportedly feature a refined design with a book-style form factor and an IP68 dust and water resistance rating, which is a first for a foldable device and a major selling point. This device is said to be powered by the new Google Tensor G5 chipset, a 3nm chip built by TSMC, which should provide a performance boost and improve power efficiency over its predecessor. Now, on the display front, the phone is expected to have a 6.4-inch cover screen and an 8-inch inner display, both with a 120Hz refresh rate. Now, leaks suggest the cover screen will have a peak brightness of 3000 nits, making it highly visible even in direct sunlight. The battery is also getting a substantial upgrade, with a rumored capacity of 15 mAh, that's 5015 mAh, a noticeable increase from the previous generation's 4650 mAh capacity. Now, the camera system is another area of focus, with a triple camera setup on the back featuring a 48MP main sensor, a 10.5MP ultra-wide lens, and a 10.8MP telephoto lens with 5x or 5 times optical zoom. The Pixel 10 Pro Fold is expected to launch with new Gemini-powered AI camera features. Now, storage options are rumored to include 256GB, 512GB, and a new 1TB variant. Now, regarding pricing and competition, well, according to multiple reports, the Pixel 10 Pro Fold will be priced similarly to the previous model, with some outlets suggesting a starting price of around $1799. Now, this places it in direct competition with Samsung's Galaxy Z Fold 7. The rumored pricing and features suggest Google is aiming to offer a premium, competitive device in the high-end foldable market. Now, there are rumors regarding supply chain issues. Okay, now, we all know that the official launch date of this device is set for August 20th. But rumors indicate that the Pixel 10 Pro Fold might not be available for purchase immediately. Several reports suggest a delay in its retail availability until October, potentially due to supply chain issues with new components like the display and hinge mechanism. This is a significant piece of news for eager consumers, as it means that they may have to wait longer than expected to get their hands on the device. However, it's worth noting that this rumored delay seems to only affect the foldable model and not the older devices in the Pixel 10 series, which are expected to be available for pre-order and sale shortly after the event. So this wraps up the details and rumors of the upcoming Google Pixel 10 Pro Fold. What are your thoughts? Feel free to share them in the comment section below. Subscribe to the channel for the latest tech updates and news. And I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.